All right, y'all. We got DDG and Halle buys a $15 million mansion for Halo. That's crazy.
I've
Let's
been in
check
the
it out.
middle of moving, as you can see from the title of the stream. I'm officially moved. I did move, but now I got two places. Well, I place with my mom, but I still, it's multiple bedrooms, so I just basically moved to another room. But I still
Hmm?
got a place to sleep if I want to be here. But I moved into my own spot, and it's kind of weird because I haven't stayed the night there yet. I'm kind of nervous. I'm kind of
Oh, so oh, see, I didn't even realize that. Like, I peeped that he was in like another room, like he was screaming in another room. But I just thought like he was making this his screaming room. But no, he had done gave the house to Ma Dukes, and he gave her the master bedroom along with George. With George, gave them the master bedroom. And he had them moved into another room until he got his own spot. That's dope, bro. That's dope. GG's, bro.
it's
GG's.
kind of weird because I haven't stayed the night there yet. I'm kind of nervous. I'm kind of scared in a way. I don't know why it is. Like I haven't lived in a new place in like 4 or 5 years, so it feel kind of weird having another place to stay. But I got everything. I got my TVs already set up, couch, bed. I got a brand new bed. My bed's so fucking crazy. Oh my god. My bed and your bed is not the same. I'm sorry. I have to flex my bed on you niggas. My bed, y'all might have it. I don't know. Y'all might have motion with y'all bed. I don't know. Y'all might.
Nah,
But
I do want a fire ass
the way
bed for
my
real
bed
though.
is, I reset OBS. Is it lagging? Hold on.
Yeah, it was a little lag. It was a little lag in the talking. But nah, for real though, y'all, I want one of them floating beds. You know what I'm saying? Like if you don't know what I'm talking about, look it up. Like, well, not really a floating bed. I want one of them beds that's like I don't even know how to explain it. It's like it's on the floor like a platform bed, but it has like LED lights all the way around that bitch, bro. Like I gotta show y'all a picture of what I'm talking about, but that shit is so fucking hard, bro. It's so fucking hard. Like it has the LED lights all the way around. It has the charging port. It has a wireless charging port. Man, that bitch is hard, bro. It's hard. I'm telling you. All right, let's get back to it, man. Let's get back to it.
All right, is it good now? We good now? All right, look. So the way my bed is, nigga, you can be laying down and it got a remote and that bitch can like lift you up
Oh, he got a
and it vibrate.
what's that
That
shit
bitch
called? The
play
number?
music. Nigga, I got a
Sleep
crazy
number.
ass bed. That bitch massage your back, lift your legs up, all types of shit. So
Hell no. Fuck no. That shit scare me. That shit scare me. What did that damn bed fold you up? You know what I'm saying? You that bitch, you taking a nap and that bitch fold your ass up like but you ain't never been scratched like that before, boy. Hell no. Hell no. That shit scared the hell. What if you fall asleep on the remote? What if you fall asleep on the remote and that bitch just, you know what I'm saying? Like hell no. Just give me
I'm
a regular
excited to
bed.
sleep at my new crib.
Tempur-Pedic.
And I have a Tempur-Pedic mattress. So I sink into that shit. I'm just sleeping a little different, you know. Yeah, it's a freaky ass bed. I ain't gonna lie, but I'm living a little different. I'm growing up a little bit. I'm investing in beds and shit. So my mattress is the most expensive mattress that I ever bought in my life. So I'm just trying to make it extremely cozy. When I first moved into this house, yeah, I know if y'all been listening to my music since I dropped this song called Exotics. Nigga, I used to be sleeping on the air mattress for 2 months before I even got a bed. So now I'm like, new place. I want this shit to be cozy. I'm buying furniture, nigga. My Amazon off the roof right now, nigga. I'm buying all types of shit.
Ooh.
I'm
That'd be the
buying fake.
most exciting time, but also the most expensive time, bro. When you get a new spot and you trying to set that bitch up just how you want it. Boy, when I first moved into this spot, bro, I probably spent about at least 5, 6 bands just on shit that I wanted in the house, bro. Like I made sure I set this bitch up like a fucking bachelor pad, bro. Cause this is a nice ass place, bro. It's a nice ass place, so you gotta have the furniture to reflect the fact that it's a nice ass place. Man, you can't just walk up in here with some goddamn Walmart furniture. Hell no. Hell no. Ain't no way. There's no way I'm finna walk up in this bitch with some Walmart furniture. Some shit from fucking Badcock. Hell no.
Fake furniture though.
I
I'm
want
not
top of the
spending
line, bro. You feel me?
like I'm buying fake what you call them little bear bricks. I'm buying all fake bear bricks. I'm not buying the real shit. I'm only spending $100. I'm buying like that you know that little Chanel rug in the front of my crib? Fake as hell. I would never spend designer money on fucking furniture. Nigga, nobody gonna see it. None of y'all hoes gonna see this furniture. You know what I'm saying?
Shit, I be
don't know why
screaming every
niggas
day
be
so they can
blowing
see the
money on
mug.
furniture. Them little flower pillows with the little smiley face. Fake as shit. Why would it's a pillow, nigga? I'm not spending money on furniture, so
But I feel the same way about clothes. I feel the same way about it's no way I'm finna spend nothing more than $100 on a fucking shirt, bro. A hoodie, I can understand. I probably spend like I say 180, 190 on a hoodie, depending on the brand. But anything over that, I'm not spending nothing more than $200 on a hoodie, or 190 on a hoodie, or $100 on a shirt. Fuck no, bruh. Fuck no. It's same for shoes, bruh. I am not finna go out here and pay $1,000 for a pair of shoes. Why? They gonna get dirty anyway. What's the point? Now you walking around with trash bags on your fucking shoes or shopping bags on your shoes because you don't want to spill shit on your fucking shoes. Man, fuck that. Fuck that. I'm not finna be spending no $1,000 on some damn shoes. That money could have went elsewhere on some shit that really matter.
I'm trying to find all the fake shit. So if y'all know any place that sell great fake furniture,
AliExpress.
send it to me because I'm buying that shit. I want all the fakest bear bricks there is. I want all the fakest bear bricks there is. I want all of the fakest all of that. Alibaba.
Yep.
Cool.
Alibaba is AliExpress too. They the same.
You ain't moved. I did move, but the thing is, I'm keeping this PC here. Chino, y'all know my Asian homie, my only Asian friend right now. Well, no, I am in my Asian friend, my other Asian friend. Chino, my only Filipino friend, but well, I guess the Shay kind of Filipino. But
Right?
Chino is building me another supercomputer that's even better than this. So that's
that's
gonna be
dope.
at the new crib. So y'all be seeing a
I wasn't
lot
finna
fresher
build my
streams.
PC. I
I think
bought
I'm gonna
mine
go ahead and
pre-built.
give me an FX3 too. Even though this already look good, I think I'm gonna go even more cinematic with the stream camera and stuff. So yeah, Chino is a little nerd. Yeah, I'm gonna do the monitors. I'm gonna do multiple monitors so I can actually full screen shit. You know, I'm gonna do it a little different, man. I'm gonna take this streaming shit serious. I'm gonna tell y'all why. I'm gonna be 100% honest with y'all. Yeah, I know I like to be transparent. I will say this before we even get into it. Do not leave because I won't be live for long. I have another meeting. I already did 3 meetings today. I just got home. I meant to go live at 6. I got out of a meeting at 5:30, and then I ended up forgetting that I had another meeting at 6:30. Went to that meeting, then I had to drive all the way back to the crib. And I got back here, and now I'm only live for 8. I'm gonna get live at 8:30, and I got another meeting tonight. So,
Damn.
I'm just trying to get things in order, and I'm trying to get to work. But I